Hi guys, happy Saturday. Today I thought I should do a weekend vlog because I haven't done a vlog in a really long time. So I thought of doing a vlog today. We are about to go for some shopping. This will be the first official summer shopping for 2018, and I'm going out with my mom and my sister. So I thought I should do a vlog and take you along with me and show you from where we shop. Like there is a Choitra sale going on. Choitra is the last month of Bengali calendar, and there are huge sales all over the market. So I thought of going for that and shop for Poila Boishak, and as well as for some PJs because I badly need some PJs. Also, I'm going to vlog tomorrow, which is Sunday, and I'm going to clean my makeup stash, and I have promised you guys that I will show you how I organize and clean my makeup stash. So keep an eye out for that. So yeah, let's just get ready and go for some shopping. So my makeup is done. This makeup has been my go-to summer makeup. If you want me to do a tutorial on this look, then leave it in the comments or hit the like button. So I'm all ready. Just need my perfume. Behind me is a huge pile of mess. I don't want you to see that. So this is my perfume. It is Victoria's Secret Amber Romance. I got it long back, but I love the fragrance of it. So it's a very warm, subtle fragrance. Shopping is almost done and we are here to eat something. So we are eating crispy chicken and cool coffee with my mom and sister. Mom, wanna hide? Shopping is done. How was your shopping? Did you get what you wanted? She never gets what she wanted. Hi guys, so I'm back home and I bought a few things. These are the few things that I bought. इनमें से कुछ मेरे हैं, कुछ मेरे बहन के हैं और कुछ घर के लिए सामान हैं जो मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. और यहाँ घर में कुछ मेहमान आए हैं तो मैं जा रही हूँ नीचे उनसे बातें करने, और आपसे मैं मिलती हूँ कल जब मैं अपनी मेकअप स्टैश को क्लीन करूँगी. सो कीप वॉचिंग दिस व्लॉग. हाय 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 हाय. अब ये मेरे मेकअप क्लीन करेगा. guys, so now I'm going to declutter and organize my makeup stash. So I keep all my makeups in these two drawers, and this one is my hair care essentials drawer, and this one I keep all the makeup pouches and like stuff that I don't use that regularly or I don't use at all. So I'm a big packaging hoarder, so I keep all the packaging that I really like in this drawer and then shut it down. So we'll start from this drawer. This has all my face, eyes and nail polishes, and this drawer has all my lipsticks, lip glosses, lip liners and makeup removers. So this also has my palettes, like eyeshadow palettes. So let's start with this. So what I will do is I will take all the outer packagings that I have stored and throw them away. So I'll just collect them all in one place. So let's start. Let me just show you the halat of my makeup drawers. So this is the face and eye makeup drawer. All my eyeliners are here and mascaras and all. And this one is my lipstick drawer, and I have some palettes and some makeup remover stuff. So that's all, and I'll start from the first one. these two drawers are done. This is my hair care, and this one is I kept all my sunglasses here and some makeup pouches. I'm doing this drawer. A cloth like this is a sponge wipe from Scotch-Brite, and I take this type of things to clean everything, like my bathroom slab and these drawers. Now I will declutter all my lipstick. My lipstick drawer is done. I've kept all the glosses here, the crayon style lipsticks here. This is a matte lipstick, so all the liquid mattes are here. These are some Nykaa So Matte lipsticks. These are all traditional lipsticks. These are all traditional lipsticks, and these are some crayons, as I said, and all my makeup removers and stuff like that. This is a mask. Is all kept here, and my palettes are all here. So this looks a little empty, but I'm sure I'm going to fill it up real soon. है मेरा फर्स्ट drawer, which is the face drawer, and some nail polishes. I have all the mascaras here and some liners, some cream eyeshadows and cream liners, and this is my tools section where I have the eyelash curler and 2 blending sponges. All my contour, blush and highlighters are here. So I have a very few amount of makeup products because I do not wear makeup like full face of makeup on a daily basis. So I keep a little amount of makeup which I need the most, and which I need for the tutorials and all. And I don't like to hoard makeup and then eventually they expire, which I don't like. So that was my makeup stash cleaning and organizing vlog. Hope you all like it. So I will suggest you guys to keep things in separate separate sections. So section out your makeup drawer so that it will be more organized. So that was it for this weekend vlog. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.